All right, this morning I'm going to start some chores here. I'm mainly using this for brush clearing. Works really good. Got a lot of rocks. Brush hog wouldn't work very well. Uneven terrain. Just goes in there and grabs it. This is an amazing deal. MTL attachments made in America. It's only it's under 14 delivered to my house. I'm going to say it was about 13. And always in these conditions, I got the steel tracks on. So outside the barn, it's a constant slope downhill. So everything washes away into the fencing. So this is all washed out really bad and it gets stuck in the fencing. That fencing is buried about 6 inches. So I was hoping to get the bucket in this way and flip it out. Yeah, I could do this by hand, but it's no fun. You know, you guys need a trim out there. I don't know what those plants are you don't like, but all the other paddocks are clean. And these pigs like eating the husk cherry, but they don't eat the plant itself. Lost the video on the skid steer itself, but nice little trench made here in front of that fence. As you can see, that amount of dirt, digging that would have took at least an hour. You saw how it struggled. This clay is dense, heavy. So now by hand, I do need to push this back up, but at least it's broken up. Now you might think, oh, why didn't I get that little tractor in here or something? It's got a little scoop, it's perfect size. It's still long, so moving this back and forth would have been a pain. The only other way would be to take up these fencing and then put it back, and that would take about this would take about the same amount of time as doing this by hand. You might ask, why did I use this particular bucket compared to my other bucket? Well, it's a skeleton bucket and rock bucket. I can see through and see what I'm doing. You got this comb-like edge, this rake edge. It's like a bunch of little teeth instead of just the few big teeth I got on the other one. Flat bucket wouldn't have done it, but this breaks it up real nice. I can see what I'm doing, and I'm not looking to carry material, I'm just looking to break it up and kind of push it around. This works really great.